General Real Property Law Estates and Land Flashcar, 7 questions with explained answers. Flashcard 1. Term, Doctrine of Prior Appropriation. Definition. Each state has strict laws that govern the ownership and use of water as well as the adjacent land. The laws vary among the states, depending upon how arid the state is. Where water is plentiful, for instance, many states rely on the simple parameters set by the common law doctrines of riparian and littoral rights. Where water is more scarce, a state may control all but limited domestic use of water according to the doctrine of prior appropriation. Flashcard 2. Term, Special Limitation Fee Simple Determinable. Definition. The estate ends automatically on the current owner's failure to comply with the limitation. If the limitation is violated, the former owner, or his or her heirs or successors, reacquires full ownership. A fee simple subject to a special limitation is also called a fee simple determinable because it may end automatically. The language used to distinguish a special limitation, the words so long as or while or during, is the key to creating this estate. For example, a grant of land from an owner to her church, so long as the land is used only for religious purposes, is a fee simple with a special limitation. The church has the full bundle of rights possessed by a property owner, but one of the sticks in the bundle, the control stick, in this case has a string attached. If the church ever decides to use the land for a non-religious purpose, the original owner will, in effect, yank the string and title will revert to her, or to her heirs or successors. Flashcard 3. Term, Littoral Rights. Definition. Closely related to riparian rights are the littoral rights of owners whose land borders commercially navigable lakes, seas and oceans. Owners with littoral rights enjoy unrestricted use of available waters, but own the land adjacent to the water only up to the mean, average, high water mark. All land below this point is owned by the government. Riparian and littoral rights are appurtenant, attached, to the land and cannot be retained when the property is sold. Any rights to use the water belong to whoever owns the bordering land and cannot be retained by a former owner after the land is sold. Flashcard 4. Term, Reliction. Definition. Owner gains and another loses land. It is usually caused by flash flooding when an object such as an uprooted tree blocks water flow and causes a river to breach its banks and seek another course. This has occurred on occasion in Flashcard 5. Term, Legal Life Estate. Definition. Life estate established by state law. It becomes effective automatically when certain events occur. Dower, curtsy and homestead are the legal life estates currently used in Flashcard 6. Term, Accretion. Definition. A way doesn't simply disappear, but is washed up downstream somewhere. The owners of land downstream may. Flashcard 7. Term, Fee simple defeasible or defeasible fee. Definition. Upon the occurrence or non-occurrence of some specified